Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now, I came across this article that I decided to read to you guys. So the article is all about the recently concluded presidential elections, particularly as it pertains to the new entrants into the field, how they performed. So I am reading you this article by way of a teaser. So I'm just reading you this article because I came across it and I wanted to share it with you. But I shall be doing a video in the future, in the near future, to go into details about the performances of Sowore, Moghalu, etc. Because of course I have been following the elections all the way through, and you guys have been following it with me on this channel. So we have to do a debrief and a detailed breakdown of the elections at some point, and that point will be fairly soon. But I'm reading you this article just as a teaser. I came across it, it interested me, and I thought I'd share it with you. So here we go. Presidential election final results. Sowore beats Kingsley Moghalu and Fela Durotoye. So, publisher of online news portal Sahara Reporters and the presidential candidate of the African Action Congress AAC, Omoyele Sowore, came out sixth in the just concluded presidential election. Several candidates on Saturday contested for the presidential seat but were defeated by Muhammadu Buhari of the All Progressive Congress APC, who polled 15,191,847 votes, while his main contender Atiku Abubakar of the People's Democratic Party got 11,264,977 votes to come second. However, Sowore, 48, came sixth with 33,953 votes, ahead of other new entrants to the race like Fela Durotoye of Alliance for New Nigeria (ANN), who polled 16,779 people, and Kingsley Moghalu of the YPP, Young Democratic Party, who garnered 21,886 votes. During the presidential debate, Sowore was not invited due to his controversial nature, but Durotoye and Moghalu were invited. Born February 16, 1971, Sowore, a blogger, writer, lecturer, human rights activist, and a public commentator on national issues, is an indigene of Ondo State from the southwestern part of Nigeria. During his undergraduate days in the University of Lagos, Sowore was active in student unionism and was elected president of the Students' Union government between 1992 and 1994. He declared interest in the presidential seat last year with the Take It Back movement on the platform of AAC. So that's just a short snapshot of Sowore's performance relative to the other new entrants into the political scene. So what these figures mean, what we read into them, what their performances mean, and what we read into them, what the hierarchy structure is, what the way forward is for the future, this will all be detailed on this channel within the next week to 10 days or so. So make sure that that subscribe button is well clicked. Just click it once so that the red turns into gray, and then that notification button, click on it as well. So now, having done that, then go into the comment section and have a conversation with me about this article that I've just read to you. What are your thoughts in terms of the performance that has been described in this article? Because I'm interested to hear your thoughts, and I can engage you in a conversation then based on what you have shared as your opinion. So click the subscribe button, then come join me in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, and I'll say peace.